Hi there, my name's Hannah Allen, and this is my website I created for my organization called Bless the Rains. And it's a Christian organization. Their main purpose is to provide clean and safe water to the people of Africa. And so this is my website I created with the purpose of trying to get more donations for their cause and trying to help spread awareness through others. So the main calls to action down here are to talk about the problem of not everybody can have clean, safe water, access to it. And so they're able to follow the social media of this organization, or they're able to donate time or money to this organization. So that's the main purpose of this website. Some design decisions that I made specifically when creating it is the type, the photos, and the color scheme. So the color scheme actually went through a lot of redos. In the beginning there was a lot of bright colors, but it was really hard to overlay those bright colors like I've done here. And so I had to end up changing those, and it actually worked out because I feel these colors really align better with the purpose of the organization, where they're calming blue colors, they symbolize water, and so it all kind of connects. It's the same thing with the pictures that I chose, specifically the full width ones where it's showing instances of, what communities in African countries might look like that would be in need of this water. So it gives kind of a face to, not the problem, but why this organization is trying so hard to provide those necessities of life for these people. And so it's a lot of pictures of kids that kind of grab your attention mostly. But yeah, so that's why I chose these photos. And then for the type, you'll notice that this main type is very blocky, very gritty. It's the same with the texture that I used on the logo, even though it's not as noticeable. And I really noticed that in African-American owned companies, they like to use a lot of bold blocks of color, and they like to use very decorative types. So that's part of the reason I chose this type. I also chose this type because the grittiness kind of connects to sort of this idea of poverty that this organization is trying to improve, these people's lives who are in poverty and can't have access to that water. So those are the main reasons that I did what I did with this website. So yeah, that's my website. Thanks.